Thanks for checking in with us here at Orlando Experience as we take a look at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disney's Hollywood Studios. In today's update, we will take a look at how construction is coming along on this new land that will open in the fall of 2019, as well as the release of information at D23, including a look at the food, merchandise, and even cast member outfits that will be part of the immersive experience of this new land. Headlining this new land will be two major new rides. One of the new rides will be the Rise of the Resistance. Here in this aerial photograph, we can see the entrance for this new ride, where passengers will be taken to a First Order Star Destroyer where they will need to escape back down to Baku. The second major attraction in this new land is Star Wars Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. Here, you and 5 other guests will have an opportunity to pilot the Millennium Falcon. As part of this attraction's queue line, you will have an opportunity to walk through the Millennium Falcon corridors, as well as enter the iconic chess room.